Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video we'll take a closer look at 1Browser, a simple and secure anti-detect browser with a familiar interface. 1Browser is built on Chromium, so its interface looks just like Google Chrome. But behind that familiar design lies a powerful anti-detect engine, one that manages fingerprints, IP addresses, and proxies. This makes it possible to run multiple accounts at the same time without the risk of tracking or bans. Monad's key features are 20 free profiles, each with its own unique fingerprint, cookies, and IP, perfect for tests or for keeping accounts neatly separated. There are also free built-in proxies along with support for adding your own custom ones. Multi-accounting is fully supported, allowing you to work with several profiles at once. And thanks to cross-platform sync, you can use 1Browser across devices without losing your data. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. 1Browser offers several options depending on your needs. The free plan includes 20 profiles, access to proxies from a limited set of countries, and standard browsing speed. The basic plan raises the limit to 50 profiles, adds access to a global proxy network covering more than 100 countries, offers multiple cities per country, and provides faster browsing speeds. The cost is $9 per month or $99 per year. The Pro plan expands this further with 100 profiles, the same worldwide proxy coverage with city-level selection, and maximum browsing speed. Pricing is $14 per month or $149 per year. Let's launch the browser and explore the interface. Right from the start screen, you can create a new profile or view details of the ones already set up. The layout is simple and familiar. It feels very much like Chrome, but with an added anti-detect button in each tab. At the center is the search bar, with quick access shortcuts, while tabs sit at the top as usual. Clicking the plus sign opens a new tab, and the browser supports the standard right-click context menu. At the top left, there is a tab search, while on the right you'll find bookmarks, the extensions menu, and the profile tab, which includes some unique options. From here, you can jump directly to the browser's website to see key profile details and current plans. But more importantly, you can configure your fingerprint and proxy for greater anonymity. A detailed tutorial on setting up proxies in 1Browser is available via the on-screen annotation. The main settings are accessed through the three-dot menu. Alongside privacy options, you'll also find sections similar to Chrome: autocomplete, passwords, search engine settings, languages, styles, and more. At the bottom of the start page, there is also a quick menu for visual customization to adjust the look to your liking. From today's review, it's clear that 1Browser is a straightforward and reliable anti-detect browser. It makes it easy to manage multiple accounts securely without dealing with complicated settings. Still, it's worth noting that its proxy and profile customization options are more limited compared to top competitors, and browsing speed can depend on the proxies you are using. Even so, its simple fingerprint and IP management, built-in proxies, and multi-accounting capabilities make it a convenient choice for social media work, testing, and marketing tasks. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.